In this video, I'm gonna show you another download manager called Motrix Next. So we are gonna open a browser. I'm using Helium. We are gonna search Motrix Next GitHub. We are gonna open this first link. It's called Motrix Next. It's based on this download manager, which is discontinued, not being developed anymore. So this is a fork of that Motrix Next. It looks like this. Let me open these images. This is how it's gonna look like in light mode, and in dark mode it's gonna look like this. Let's see how to download. I'm using Debian, so I'm gonna see how it's recommended. For Mac OS you can download it via this. Let me zoom. And for Windows it's also available as .exe. For Linux, if you're already using Flatpak, you can download it by pasting these commands in your terminal. And for Ubuntu it's recommended as this. For Fedora it's also available as .rpm and also available as .appimage if you like to use appimage. So I'm gonna download it as .deb. So we're gonna go to releases. This is beta version, I think. So I'm gonna look for a stable version. Here it seems like this one is stable. This one. So I'm gonna download .deb. This one AMD64. Okay, it's being downloaded. It's downloaded already. I'm gonna open browser. Let's minimize this. I'm gonna open a terminal here. We're gonna type sudo apt install, and we're gonna, for this directory, because we have downloaded in our download folder, so for this directory we need to type dot dash, and then we're gonna type m, and a tab will autocomplete. Okay, now we're gonna hit enter. I'm gonna put my password. Okay, so we have an error. It says it depends on this and it is not installed. You might not face this error, but I'm facing this error. So it says you might want to run apt fix broken install. So I'm gonna first try this. Let's see. Okay, so we need permission, so we're gonna use sudo, and I'm gonna hit enter. Then I'm gonna try it again. With arrow keys you can go to previous commands. So okay, so I think it's installed. Let's see if it is installed or not. Okay, here it is. It's installed now. Okay, it's in dark mode because I'm already using dark mode in my desktop environment. So to test, I'm gonna again download this file, but with with the help of this download manager. So this time I'm gonna download this app image file. So I'm gonna copy this link. Okay, just as I copied it, already popped up. It has detected that a link has been copied, and I can rename it. So I'm gonna rename it as Motrix, and we can change this if you want to tinker with these settings. This is the location that's gonna be downloaded. We also have advanced options, which is I'm not gonna Tinker. So leave it to default and hit submit. Okay, so the downloading is started. Okay, so it's completed. We can open that folder from here, show in folder. uh, I think yes, this folder. This is that app image, and this is the previous file that we downloaded using Helium browser, and this one we downloaded using this Motrix Next download manager. It has the settings. You can also use it for torrent. You can change theme, minimize to tray on close. Okay, so that's it. You can. It's a good download manager. I've previously used it. You can download it. All right, bye.